You're going to want to stay tuned because I'm going to show you how we repaired this beautiful BMW M2 competition without disturbing that factory paint finish and made it look like this in a matter of hours using the very valuable paintless dent repair method. Stay tuned. Yeah, really unfortunate situation here. You can see the red car in the background representing these red scuff or transfer marks in the car. Unfortunately, car backs up into the vehicle, creating this really deep impact point, which ultimately was what we call overstretched and needed some special attention using special tools and techniques. But we're able to repair damage like this and get it back to a factory spec. And we're doing it without having to disturb that factory paint finish. Yes, it looks a little rough in these videos here, but that's part of what we do. It's part of the steps we have to take to get this metal and sculpt it slowly and meticulously back to its original shape. And we're using all different techniques and tools to make this a reality for this customer here. The customer actually found me on YouTube and was willing to drive this car many hours to get it to me to do the repair, because yes, it makes a difference on who you choose to do these types of repairs, believe it or not. So when you seek out a paintless dent repair technician, you don't want to seek them out for their best price. You want to seek them out for their quality that they produce on video, their skill set, their knowledge. They're able to do these repairs to a very high level because they put the time in and the reps needed to be able to bring this back to a factory condition. It's a very valuable process when it's done in the right hands, and you only get one factory paint job. You know, why trust it to somebody that's just trying to give you the best price to get the job? Shop it for the quality and the experience that technician has. See if they have a portfolio of work that is credible, that shows the work, high definition on video if you can. So that's one of the reasons why I show my work on video, because it's social proof. You know, these outdoor panning shots are the real deal. This is what we're able to do for this customer and meet their goals and get it to a very, very extremely high level end result. And that is ultimately what this customer drove this vehicle to me for. Now, we certainly are not out here pounding our chests. We take this very, very seriously. And when a customer comes to us with a specific problem, we want to offer them the absolute best solution. And this is it for this one. Thanks for watching, guys.